Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So in this problem, we have an electron that has a maximum orbital angular momentum of plus or minus 3. And we want to know how many values of orbital angular momentum and magnetic moment can the electron have. So for part A, for a given L, and L varies from minus L to L. So if we have L equals 3, the variation is 2L plus 1. This is 7. And because L is proportional to ML, we have 7 different possible values for the orbital angular moment. And the same things applies for the orbital magnetic moment, because mu z is proportional to ml. There is also 7 different values for the magnetic moment. Now for part C, we want to know what is the greatest allowed magnitude for the angular moment and the magnetic moment for part C and D. So we have for C, the greatest will be the largest possible value of ml, because it is ml h divided by 2 pi, and the greatest will be 3h over 2 pi. For part D, again, it's very similar. This gives mu z is minus ml mu b, and the greatest will be again the maximum value allowed. So this is 3 mu b. And we can write this in terms of the, what is this in terms of the constant? So this 3h divided by 4 pi ma. Now for part E, we want to know what is the greatest allowed magnitude for the z component of the net angular momentum of the orbital plus spin. So the greatest possible value will be the combination. So L net is ml plus ms times h over 2 pi. The value for the spin is 1/2. The maximum value is 3 here. So the maximum value will be 3.5 times h over 2 pi. Now for part F, we want to know how many values are allowed for the z component of the net angular moment. So notice that the maximum value of the net orbital moment is given by this value of 3.5, and then the maximum value will be almost identical as the counting that we have before, plus 1, that is being the spin being plus 1/2 or minus 1/2. So we have LZ, it is gives a mj total of 8. So this is 7 plus 1.